How to Use the Same Snapchat Account on Two Devices, 2025 Guide. Ever wondered if you can use one Snapchat account on two phones at the same time? In this video, I'll explain what's possible and what's not when it comes to logging into Snapchat on multiple devices. Can you use Snapchat on two devices at the same time? The short answer is no, not officially. Snapchat is designed for one active session at a time. If you log in on a second device, it will log you out from the first. Why Snapchat does this? This is mainly for privacy and security. Since Snapchat involves private photos, chats, and location sharing, they want to make sure your account isn't used in two places at once. What happens if you try? You'll be logged out from your first phone. Your active chats or snaps might not sync instantly. Frequent switching may trigger suspicious activity alerts and even lock your account. Safe alternatives. Workarounds. 1. Use Snapchat Web. Go to web.snapchat.com on a second device, like your laptop or tablet. Log in using the same account. You can chat, send messages, and view some snaps. Note, Snapchat Web doesn't support all features like camera snaps. 2. Screen mirroring. If you want to view Snapchat from another device, try mirroring your screen from one phone to another using tools like Google Home for Android, AirPlay for iPhone users. It's not true dual use, but it works for monitoring or presentations. Important warning: avoid using mods or clones. Apps like Snapchat++ or third-party clone apps might promise dual login, but these violate Snapchat's policy and can get you permanently banned. Never use unofficial apps or modified versions. In short, Snapchat only allows one login per account at a time. Your best bet is using Snapchat Web alongside the app. Stay safe, protect your data, and don't fall for risky tricks. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and comment what guide you want next.